the sponge, the mesh, and the PP material, and the gas lift. Our gas lift is SGS approved, so don't worry the quality. And the base is chromed, right? So this style is very simple and modern. If you sell them in your country, it will be the best sale. Because it's very cheap, right? So if you want this office chair and you want to enjoy this price, you can leave message and place the order in the CANTON fair, and we will give you some gifts like this. Yeah, it's our new products. It's a foldable desk, mini desk. If you feel inconvenient on the bed, but you want to use the laptop or do homework or anything you want, you can use this mini desk. It's very convenient and can solve your most problems. And I will show you the functions of this mini desk. There is a drawer. You can put some pens or something in it. And there, it can hold your pad to watch some videos or some other. And there is a holder. You can put your bottle in it, right? So it's very convenient and it's very easy to carry, right? So we will give you the gifts. We will give you, if you order 140 high-Q container, we will give you 50 pieces desk. And if you order a 20 GP container, we will give you 20 pieces. So the more you buy, the cheaper you will get, and you can get more gifts, right? And also, we have another low back office chair. It's like this. The material is same as this office chair, but the design of the back is different, right? The back is a letter A. So if you like this A design, you can choose this one. And if you like these two squares, you can choose this office chair. And if you want to know more information about these two office chairs, you can contact us and leave your WhatsApp or email so that we can connect you. These two are very popular in your market, so it's a good choice for you to buy these two. Okay, if you want to know more models of our office chair, mesh office chair, please leave your message. I will show you the functions and the material for you. Okay, let's watch some videos.